What's going on, guys? Ended up getting one trade this morning before market open, hitting my daily goal of $460. That's not really my goal, but I'm happy with this. So I'm done for the day. You can see my trade here on AEZS. I'm going to break it down in the video. Checking out this trade here on AEZS. I didn't record it because I thought that it wouldn't be that big of a deal. I thought maybe a little bit of a drop and get like a 10-cent drop, make a 150 bucks. And I'll talk about it later on in the video, but I ended up getting a huge drop on AEZS, and I'll tell you why it worked out. So you can see here, AEZS had a double, quadruple top there at 265. I logged on the computer. I was answering some emails, working on some other stuff on the other screen. I looked over here, looked at AEZS. I was like, what's going on with AEZS? Yesterday, remember, it ran up 150%. So I was looking to see what was going on this morning, and I looked at it, and there it is. Had a double top, quadruple top at 55. There was a bunch of sellers stacking up. I was like, okay, well, there's 2,500 shares just short here. Why not just, I'm going to grab 2,000 shares of short real quick. Just see if I can get a 5-cent, 2-cent drop. It's a little drop, so I can get a little cushion, make 100 bucks real quick. I was thinking we might get this pullback to the 255 area, had that support there, and we'll see what happens here. And it ended up getting that drop. It got down to that 256 area, and I was like, there's still a lot of sellers stacking up there. So maybe we get a pullback to this 246 area. So I was like, okay, that makes sense. So ended up getting this pullback all the way down here to 238. I covered at 241. I was thinking it might go a little bit lower, but I couldn't cover. There was a little bit of a spread, so I had to cover there at 241. $460 here in the morning. Like I said, I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting just a little small move. I was thinking we might get a little bit of a pullback, get a little bit of a pullback here, and I would cover, but it just ended up having a lot of sellers there. It looked really bearish. I was like, okay, I think we're going to get a pullback all the way down to this support line, and that's what we got. We ended up literally going through 250, and then on this next candle, we dropped all the way down to 238, and I covered there at 241. On the quadruple top there, I know people yesterday were like, how did you get shares short? Well, you can see right there, 2,500 shares short on Short Trader. It's possible. I don't know why some people on Short Trader can get shares short, why some people can't get shares short. So you can see my profit making $460 there on AEZS. And there was some support from yesterday at that 238 area, so that's where it bounced at, so it worked out perfectly. I wasn't even looking that far out just because I thought we might only get a pullback to this 246 area, but ended up getting that pullback all the way to the 238 area. So perfect trade here on AEZS. I'm happy. I've got things I got to do today, so I hit my goal for the day in 5 minutes. Happy with that. It is what it is. And now I'm probably going to just be done for the day. Maybe take one trade here to open, maybe not. You could just tell that there was resistance there, and you can see double top. It pulled back to 238. Just red, 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 lower, lower, lower. And it worked out perfectly there. I'm pretty happy with that. I can't complain. So I will talk to you guys later on today, if not tomorrow. You can see there, making $460 in this small account all before market open in about 5 minutes.